Want to know how to make money online? I'll teach you how. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. You're gonna click to play a video. Step 2. You have to watch the video for at least 10 seconds. And step 3. You can cash out your earnings and boom. Simple as that. So right now, I want you to take a look at all of these videos right here that you can watch on your phone, which can make you a lot of money online. You might be thinking, how much money can you actually earn from watching videos? Well, take a look at this. If you're watching videos for just 1 hour, you can easily earn about $40. When you're watching for 2 hours, you can earn $80. And when you're watching for 3 hours, that makes $120, and you can repeat this as much as you want. And the best thing about this method is that it's 100% free, meaning you don't need any money at all to get started. And yes, this is available worldwide. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer, and you can literally start making money today. So in this quick video, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account, and I'll be giving you a lot of bonus tips. I'll show you which videos are gonna pay you the most amount of money, and also I'll be showing you a live example of that, so you can see me do everything step by step right on this video. Now, before we get into this, please help me like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go down below and click on subscribe button right now, and also turn on the notification bell. And by doing that, you're gonna be the first one to get notified whenever I release a brand new video. Alright, so first of all, I want to introduce you to this brand new website which is called Swingbox. As you can see here, you can get paid every 15 seconds. It's a trusted and sustainable website. There are a lot of different videos and different channels that you can watch to earn money online, and the earning potential is unlimited. In just a moment, I'll show you how you can watch very simple videos just like this. As you can see here, the video will play after this ad. I'll show you how you can watch this 10-second advertisement and watch the video. And you can earn money over and over again, and that's exactly how all of these guys make a lot of money on this website every single day. Also, very important, I want you to take a look at this. You can earn money for free in multiple ways on this website. Now, first of all, you can view ads and earn money online. And secondly, you can click on the clicks grid and you can earn money as well. This is a very cool method. And I'll also be showing you something as a bonus at the end of this video, so make sure you keep watching. But once again, our focus today is simply watching videos. As you can see here, you can watch videos and get paid for it. So right here, I just want to quickly remind you that make sure you watch the full video so you can understand everything and be able to start making money online. So now, step 1. I want to show you how to sign up for free on Swingbox. And now I want you to go and click on this register button right here. And as you can see, that's going to take you to the registration page. Now, you can register on your phone or you can register on your computer. And I want you to comment down below and let me know what type of device is it that you're using right now. Do you use a phone or do you use a computer? So now, for the general information, just put in your full name, your username, your password, confirm your password, and just put in your email address. Also on the second part, which is the payment account. And with that, you can receive your money into your PayPal account in Perfect Money or in Payer. Just put in your payment information. For example, your PayPal email address right on this box. And once again, if you want to get paid in other different payment methods, you can do that as well once you log into your PayPal account. And I want you to comment down below. Let me know, what is your preferred payment method in your country? So right here, once you're done with everything, you have to do the image verification and type whatever you see in this box. Now I'm just going to click on this one right here, agree to the rules, and click on the register button. As simple as that. So now, on to step number 2. Once you're able to log into your account, you can find different advertisements and different videos that you can watch to make money online. So right now, as you can see here, these are all different companies right on this website, meaning you have a lot of different opportunities. Take a look at this daily ads. So over here, you can find different companies. They provide you with fresh new video ads that you can watch to make money online. But right now, as you can see here, the number one problem that beginners face is that they don't know which company or which video ad they should watch and focus on to make the most amount of money. So this is going to be the first bonus tip that I will give you. To those who are still watching right now, I want you to focus on micro ads. And the reason why I want you to focus on this category is because you can simply watch 10-second videos and you can make money online. And boom! As you can see here, after 10 seconds of the video ad playing, they're gonna start playing a normal video. So now, all you gotta do is just keep on watching and wait for the next video ad to pop up and wait for 10 seconds and you can earn a lot of money again. So now, I want to give you another bonus tip. You can actually turn off the volume of your video. As you can see here, just click on this one to mute the video and turn off the volume. And by doing that, you can actually let the video play in the background so you can do your own things. You can do your other stuff on another browser. So this is a very powerful method where you can watch multiple videos at the same time. So if you have a computer or if you have a phone, you can open up multiple browsers using different devices. The more video that you're actually playing, the more chances that you're going to find video ads. And by watching the video for 10 seconds, you can actually make money over and over again. You're going to notice that whenever you watch a new video, you're guaranteed to have one video ad in front of the video that's going to give you a lot of guaranteed income. And once you finish watching the entire advertisement, when the video starts, you might find out about 2 or 3 or sometimes 4 video ads from just one video. And once again, I'm going to give you another bonus tip. And it's that you can make money on Swingbox by actually clicking on the clicks grid as you can see here. Every single time when you click on these small little boxes right here, you have a chance to win up to $5. Now, all you gotta do is just find whatever random box that you want to click. For example, if I want to click on this box right here, and that's gonna open up a random website as you can see here. Now, all you gotta do is just stay on this website for 10 seconds and you don't have to do anything right now. So if you're lucky enough, you can actually earn $5. So now, as you can see here, Clicks Grid Clone, it's actually easy to play. Just click on anywhere on the picture to get whatever boxes that you want and you can actually win up to $5 that goes directly in your account balance. And every single click will open up a sponsor's website that you have to view for up to 10 seconds, just like what I showed just now. For example, if you click on this box right here, that's going to take you to a random website as you can see here. So now just stay for 10 seconds, do nothing, and you're possibly able to earn $5. So now you're going to notice here, clicks are going to reset daily and midnight server time every single day after 12 a.m. Now all of these boxes right here, they're going to refresh and you can click on them once again. So this is another bonus income tip that you can make money on Swingbox as well. So once again, that's exactly how all of these guys here from different countries make real money simply watching videos. And you can do exactly the same thing by following all of the steps that I showed you on this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on any updates. If you think that today's video is too difficult and you want something much more easier that can help you make money online, make sure to check out my YouTube channel so you can learn other ways to make money online. So just go ahead and click on the video right now and I'll see you on the next video.